Hello, do you want to be seduced by the beauty of nature? The Seduction by Magnetic is then for you. The touch of luxury for your hands and feet skin. I'm Magda from Magnetic Nails UK, and together with Cerisa Klein, we're showing you the Seduction by Magnetic from Magnetic headquarters. Let's get started. The Seduction products are formulated from the natural ingredients. Can be used all over the body, but specifically made for the skin of the hands and feet. Let's start with the Seduction. Cerisa prepared for us the spa manicure service. Let's have a look. Let's start with the bath bombs. The bath bombs you drop to the lukewarm water to prepare the warm and let it to dissolve. Now place the hands in and gently wash the hands. Make sure you spread the solution all over the hands. After this gentle preparation, dry the hands with the towel. Let's start with the scrub. Seduction Luxury Scrub exfoliate your skin and awaken your senses. Your skin will look refreshed and rejuvenate. Massage the scrub all over the hands and the palm. First press it and slightly move the hands. Make sure your client's hands are relaxed. Circular movements all over the hands and forearms. With the wet cloth, remove the scrub, gently pressing and wiping it over. Remove the full scrub particles from the forearm, the hand and the palm. So that was the first part of our Seduction Spa Manicure procedure. The Seduction products are also amazing as a gift for your loved ones, for the best moments in life. Let's continue with our spa manicure procedure. Now the plastic cuticle pusher. We start with pushing back the cuticles. Be gentle, and we're going to apply the intense cuticle cream and the cuticle oil. Cuticle oil in the hyponychium area to moisturize the natural nail. Let the cuticle oil float towards the cuticles. Now turn the hand and gently massage it. Now a little bit of the cuticle intense cream. Apply it over the cuticle area and wrap it with the foil. That's the extra moisturizing treatment and conditioner treatment for our cuticles, especially when they're dry, cracking, or during the winter time or from your work. Just wrap it gently. And let the cuticle cream soak in. Now reach hand and mask. Just pour a little bit of rich hand cream and mask into the bowl, and with your brush spread it over the hands and the palms. Seduction brush is ideal to apply the hand and cream region mask all over the hands and palms and in between the fingers. Now let us wrap the rich cream and mask into the foil. The mask helps to smooth, moisturize, and nourish the dry skin. Let's wrap it in a mittens and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and gently massage it. The skin will refrain the natural glow. Use the circular movement to massage the extra residue of the mask in the forearm, wrist, hands, palms, and fingers. You can see a difference in the treated and untreated skin, the beautiful glow and the natural moisturized look. The skin looks younger, more glowy, and just beautiful. Beautiful, smooth, and younger looking skin with seduction.
Seduction for the best moments in life.
You can use the Seduction manicure as a standalone treatment or as an additional treatment to your gel polish manicure and other nail enhancement, or to your pedicure as a spa pedicure. And in the month of May, you can buy all of the Seduction products with 20% discount on our website. If you want to know more about our products, do not hesitate to contact me here via email or the website. Our Seduction line grew over the time, and on top of our manicure products, we also have the gorgeous Seduction gel polishes. Beautiful shears for a natural look at the end of the Seduction manicure treatment. Don't you agree? Again, if you want to know more about our products, do not hesitate to contact me anytime. And don't forget about our Product of the Month discount and buy the Seduction products with 20% off in May. I'm Magda, I'm magnetic, and see you next time.